Namaste and welcome to part 6 of Flutter Complete App Tutorial series. In this part, we are going to improve the design of list view a little bit and we'll add edit and delete actions, and if we have time we'll also implement edit and delete functionalities. So let us get started. First, in order to add edit and delete actions, I'd like to use a plugin called slidable. What that allows us is when user slides from left to right or right to left, it opens up an action panel where we can add multiple actions. So let us view the plugin page first. So this is the plugin. Let us install this plugin in our pubspec file. So here pubspec.yaml, let us add this dependency. Okay, and pub.get should run in a while. Before that, let us see notes home. Okay, so here is a list view, item builder. It simply uses list style. So what I want to do is, instead of this list style, I want to develop a new widget. So in UI, let us make a widgets folder. And in here, let us make a new widget called note item dot. Okay. Here inside container, let's use this style, and this should get note. This should be final, and let us create a constructor, and here title text and note dot title. Okay, here in this builder, instead of this, so here instead of this list style, so what we'll do is return note item. Note is snapshot.data index. Okay, we should see the same output. Now in the note item, let us improve the design a little bit. Let's say first, let's give this scaffold a background color of, say, let's say 300. Okay, and container box decoration, let's say not border, colors white, and symmetric, vertical 4.0, horizontal 8.0. Okay, now in this we would like to implement our sliding panel. So let's see the readme here. How do we implement the sliding panel? So we wrap it with a slidable first. Okay, and we give it an action pin, action aspect extend ratio. So let's try this. Container wrap with widget, and here let's paste this Okay, and let us import the slidable package library. Okay, and finally we need a action. For here I'd like to use secondary actions. Okay, so instead of here, icon should be, let's say, delete. This is delete action, and icon should be okay, this is delete, this is fine, and this should be edit. Okay, now let us try. See, we can see edit and delete. So I think we need some changes. Okay, can we exchange this? Swap with parent. Yeah, this is better. And instead of more, this icon color should be, let's say, blue. Edit, and this is delete. Edit and delete action. So we now have edit and delete action. We'd like to perform those actions. So for that, we'd like to pass a function node edit node edit delete. Let us pass these to the constructors. Okay, and here what we'll do is on edit, let's pass node, and here on delete node, let's pass the node, which node we are deleting. Here we'd like to make this a required attribute. Required. Okay, and in nodes home, let us pass those required attributes. On delete we get a node, and edit we get a node. So these two functions are where we'll write our delete and edit functionalities. So delete one is the easiest, so let us first implement the delete functionality. So for delete functionality, what we can do is we can use nodesdb dot remove item node dot id. So if we do this, this will simply delete our node. This will delete our node. Okay, we are getting missing platform, missing or insufficient. Okay, so in the Firestore we have created, we don't have enough permission. Let me pause the video and show you the rules, get back and show you the rules and how to fix these. Okay, if you get a permission error like mine, if you go back to the database section in your project and in rules section, and somewhere you'll find the rules like this. Mine, the rule was allowed till December 11, so it is gone for now. So for now, I'll just like to keep open read and write access to everyone. After fixing the permission, now if you try again to remove the item, it should work properly and item should be removed. See? However, what we would like to do is, we'd like to get a confirmation from user before deleting the item. So let us implement the confirmation. So Let us make another function. Confirm delete. In this, we will use show dialog. Context, we need to pass the context here. Build context. And this should be future. It should return future bool async return, and builder should be context. Let us return alert dialog, title text, delete, content, are you want to delete. Okay, and let us use actions, flat button, text no, unpressed. If pressed no, then we should return navigator.pop with false. Okay, and similarly, if pressed yes, navigator.pop with true. And up here, what we'll do is make this a async function, and if await confirm delete, only then we remove the item. So let us test now. Delete, we get the confirm. We say no, then this is not deleted. If we say yes, then this is deleted. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. In the next episode, we'll continue and learn to edit and update our existing nodes.